This is the last of the 10th series of the Essential Guide to Game Tester Jobs. Before the journey. We have covered a lot of ground since the beginning of our dialogue regarding game tester jobs. Before you apply for the job, though, let me send you off with some very important reminders that you should always keep in mind when you are dealing with game testing and the gaming industry in general. Number 1. Beware of crunch time. Crunch time is usually the months before the final release of the game to the market. During this time, workloads typically increase, and overtime is almost always a part of the equation. Take care of yourself during crunch time. Spending time in the mailroom with other aspiring game testers is fine, but that doesn't mean that you have to bear more work than you should. Focus on advancement and honing your skills. Don't position yourself as someone who will only be good at game testing. Express leadership qualities and expertise that will be useful beyond the game testing process as well. Number 2, be the best bug finder in the world. If you want to come out on top, you have to focus on the type of output that studios and game companies love best: bugs. Bugs can be faulty pixels during gameplay. It can be misplaced texture during a particular scene of the game. Bugs can be small or big, it doesn't matter. When you find a bug, report and document it. The more bugs that you find, the better. If you want to be secure in this type of work, you need to have an ironclad focus on what your company studio needs. More bug reports. Number 3, make friends, lots of them. Being a contractor is often not the best employment position in the world. You won't be able to get references easily with game studios and companies. That is why you need to reach out to different people and build your network so you can really have a foothold in this industry. Sites like LinkedIn can be fertile ground for starting your very own business network. Click the link below for a complete ebook guide on how to become a game tester.